Hello everyone and welcome to a new review. Today I'm going to show you these amazing leather conditioning wipes from the brand Weiman. We have a lot of cleaning products from this brand. We just totally love it. This is our #1 brand when it comes to cleaning things, and we use these leather conditioning wipes for everything we have in the house with leather. We use it for furniture, we use it for shoes, accessory like purses or wallets. We use it for the car seats. So we use it for everything we can find that has leather. It is a 3-in-1 product. It cleans, conditions, and protects. And this comes in a pack of 2. You get 2 of these wipes, and you get a microfiber cloth to buff your products after using. But I'm just going to show you how to use these leather wipes, and we're just going to open them now. Everything is explained super easy in the back how you open them. It also shows you where you can use it on, but basically you can use it on anything that is leather. So let us just open it. First you gotta put a hole in here, and then you pull the first wipe out, and you can pull it right through here, and then you can pull your wipes out. So you got your wipes here, you can just pull one out, and then the next one is available, and everything is safe in here, and you can just close it afterwards. And I'm going to show you how to use this on furniture. So also, this is super safely, this is non-toxic. It safely removes dirt and soil and residue from everything that is leather. It comes with natural oils. It leaves your leather feeling and looking sharp. It also gives your leather a sunscreen protector. So everything with the sun can damage your leather, it is protected after you use these wipes, like fading, drying, or cracking. For example, the sun can damage some things. And do not use these wipes on unfinished leather things or things that are not real leather. But everything else, as I said, every leather product you can use these wipes on. And then afterwards, when you're done, you can buff it with your microfiber cloth. Then that makes the wipes also safe for pets and kids, and they can touch the things after you use them. If you just wipe them and don't use the microfiber cloth, then the kids or your pets will touch the wipes and smell them and everything. So you should buff it afterwards with the microfiber cloth. Also, these wipes, they smell super good and super fresh. They smell like a little bit like lemon. And yeah, everything is safe for your furniture. You should always, before you start wiping down, you should test it on a spot where you can see. So if you don't know if this is real leather or not real leather, you should test it out first if the wipes work or if they don't work. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. I will highly recommend you buying these leather conditioning wipes, and I see you in the next review.